time.
Welcome to another video and welcome to the channel, and we are in beautiful Glendale, California, the Jewel City. Now you guys have probably clicked on this video to see where I'm going to tell you is the best place that I think to stay here in the Los Angeles area. Come and join me and I'm going to show you the Vagabond Inn here at 120 West Colorado Street here in Glendale, California. So we're going to start off why I think this is the best place for you guys to stay. Now for me, I first come to the Vagabond Inn in Glendale in 1988 and I've been staying here ever since. There has been a lot of changes around here. First of all, across the road you've got the Americana and Brand. It's a beautiful shopping centre and some fabulous restaurants that you can go to. One of my favourite restaurants is down here on the left hand side, and that's Foxy's Restaurant, and you actually get a discount by staying here at the Vagabond Inn. They're currently giving a 10% discount. Over on the corner up here on Brand, you've got Shake Shack, and there are quite a few convenience stores around there. The reception is here, really friendly staff, and we'll have a look in there for you. Car parking, plenty of car parking space. They do charge $10 a night. Now the motel is based on 3 levels. There is a lift, and we do have a beautiful pool area which I'll show you. Right, come on, let's go into reception. Beautifully air conditioned. So over here we've got lots of information all around the area. And come and check this out, guys. We've got tea and coffee making facilities. They've also got a microwave. Over here you've got the conveniences. So we've got sodas, we've got ice cream, and we've got burritos, even got some wine, alcohol, all available to purchase. Over here we've got obviously the instant lunch menus, beef flavors, crisps, different snacks, and also if you forget any items, you've got razors, we've got Advil, we've even got nail clippers, and of course I'm terrible for forgetting the toothbrush. So everything is thought about what you need, and this is where you're going to be coming and checking in, and you'll be meted by lovely staff. Let's go and take a look out by the pool. Just look at the beautiful palm trees, and over the years I've been lucky enough to see these grow to this beautiful height that we see here in Los Angeles. Okay, so the pool area is over here, and there is access for the disabled, and there are some lovely sun lounges in there. As I said earlier, for disabled access there is an elevator that will take you to either the 1st or 2nd floor above. Let's have a look at the pool area. We have a very inviting pool area there. 8.5 feet in the deep end and down to 3 feet in the shallow end. So obviously in Los Angeles you're going to be visiting Universal Studios, Hollywood. Universal Studios, 30 minutes. Hollywood over there, 30 minutes. Disneyland, just over an hour's drive away. And of course the beautiful beaches of Santa Monica, 40 minutes. Let's go and show you the rooms. Right, so our room is room 301. Let's show you inside. And one thing that you're going to find is the rooms are very, very roomy and extremely clean. Of course, we've first of all got to do the bed test. And those beds are super, super comfy. So in this room, we've got two queen size beds. We've got a clock and we've got the lights, and an important thing, USB charging for your phone. So it's a big thumbs up on that one. Beautiful pillows, lovely and soft. A good sized TV, plenty of drawer space, and a really nice worktop for doing the office work here in LA. And how cool is this? A beautiful sofa to just relax and watch TV. Let me show you the bathroom. So the bathroom has got a very low bath, easy to get in for the disabled. It's got a shower, toilet, beautifully decorated. And over here, you've got the sink, a nice sized mirror with a beautiful light. And over here, I have a microwave, tea coffee making facility. And you also have a fridge, and there is plenty of room to store all your clothes here. And the most important thing, for peace of mind, you have a safety deposit box here, which is key coded, that you can put in, and there is no charge for that. You'll also find the rates to be really, really good for staying here in the Los Angeles area. I'm sure you can see, if you're looking for the best motel, hotel here in the Los Angeles area for exploring all the wonderful areas, don't go anywhere else. Come and stay at the Vagabond Inn and let these guys know that you saw it on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great trip in Los Angeles, and we'll see you soon.